feet. Shadows follow where the daylight retreats. Every whisper turns into stone. This is the song of being alone. No one hears the quiet cry, a melody that never dies. The song of alone. It plays when the night has swallowed home. A silent hymn, a hollow tone, carved in the bones. The song of alone. Windows glow with a life not mine. I watch through glass left outside in time. Every laugh is a distant drone. This is the song of being alone. The heart beats softer, slow, unseen. A ghost inside a broken dream. The song of alone. It plays when the night has swallowed home. A silent hymn, a hollow tone, carved in the bones. The song of alone. But in the darkness, I still find a fragile voice, a trace of light. Even alone, the soul can sing a quiet strength in everything. The song of alone, not just sorrow, but the seed that's sown. From shadows deep, a voice has grown, turning silence into my own. And the song of alone becomes my song.
Here we are, three men without a country. Where to go, what to do, and how to be. I think we blew our last chance with the home crowd. We took our bows, said goodnight, and took off to where the lights don't reach. What do you do when it's all been said? Where do you go when it's all been done? Where do you run when you're alone? When there's no one left to hurt you? We'll be alright. We have the strength of the three of us. I have a knife to cut you down if you should need. What do you do when it's all been said? Where do you go when it's all been done? Where do you run when you're alone? When there's no one left to hurt you? Here we are, we men without a country. Where to go, what to do,